Hey y'all, I hope that you are having a great day. So I want to introduce you to someone in our family. This is Spot. Can you say hello? He's like, why are you holding me? I do not understand. His name is Spot because he has a little black spot right here. So he was born with this spot, and so that's what our kids named him. So I'm just giving you a little glimpse into my life today. Can you say hey? He is like, what is going on? Why are you holding me? Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Say hello. He is the sweetest. He loves to snuggle, and he loves to get under the blankets. Don't ya? Okay, so I am showing you him today because I wanted to share with you some awesome things that are actually on my website right now. So for 8 weeks, we are going to be highlighting a holiday gifting bundle for you. So when you are shopping on my site, make sure you go to the sale tab and then go to solutions that save. And we have some bundles put together for you, and you can get a discount on them and utilize our customer special. So the one that I'm highlighting today is actually called our Holi-Deals bundle. So in that bundle, you're going to get quite a few things, and one of those is being that tiny utility tote, and this is the one in the holiday hound print, which is so cute. But one great thing about these bundles is that you can choose your own prints. So for most of the items, some things like the one in the bundle I'm going to show you in just a second, there's one item that comes like as is. But when you are shopping, go to the sale tab, solutions that save, and then you can actually scroll through all of the bundles. They're all there for you. I'm just highlighting one of those today in this video. So the one I'm doing is the Holi-Deal. So anyways, you can click add to your cart, or I forget what it says. There's a little button. So add to your cart, and there's going to be like a pop-up, and it's going to show you every product that comes in that bundle. And then there's little circles where you can choose your own print, which is really fun. So you'll see on this one, this is the Holi-Deal bundle right here. This is the one I'm going to show you here. So it comes with the tiny utility tote, which is this one right here. It comes with the baking set, a 𝑐𝑢𝑟𝑠 rectangle, and a 𝑐𝑢𝑟𝑠 storage bin. So you'll get to choose your tiny utility tote, and this is a fun baking set. So this is the 𝗪𝗡 storage bin. So you'll get to choose your own print of that, but we do have that holiday plaid available. So in this baking set that's going to come in this bundle, so many great little goodies. So you'll have 6 cookie cutters, 3 pastry bags with the tips, and you'll see that if you're a baker, you'll see that little coupler that helps you change out your tips really quickly. And then you have 1 spatula, 2 oven mitts, 50-piece set of recipe cards right there. You'll see a set of measuring spoons and 1 small storage bag. And one thing I don't see that's listed on here that I printed off from the website is these little cellophane gift bags. You'll have those as well. So that's what's going to come in the baking set. And then also here's that 𝗪𝗡 storage bin. So this is what that looks like. It could store all of those little pieces in there. And then here's that holiday plaid in real life, if you wanted to see that print in real life. And then it will also come with a 𝗪𝗡 rectangle. So you'll get the tiny utility tote. You'll get this baking set, You'll receive the 𝗪𝗡 storage bin and the 𝗪𝗡 rectangle. Okay. Now add this to your cart, and once it's in your cart, then you can go in and personalize the items that can be personalized in this bundle. So in this particular bundle, the tiny utility tote can be personalized. If you were personalizing this one, the personalization would actually be on the opposite side. And then the 𝗪𝗡 rectangle, of course, your personalization is going to be on the front. You do have that clear window on the back. So just think about who you could gift this to, or if you really like me, I'd probably gift it to myself because I love that baking set. And I'm like, I don't have this one, but I think I need to get it. So I love all of the things in there, and I love those recipe cards too. So I definitely want to get my hands on that. Now, the bundle itself will discount the highest priced item in this bundle, which is going to be the tiny utility tote. You'll see this one discount at 50% off, letting you get this entire bundle for $83.50. But okay, if you wanted to add another item that was just a higher price, or more high price than this one. I said that completely wrong both times. But anyways, that item would discount at 50% off for you. So I was thinking like, okay, well, I would love to get this bundle either for me or give it to someone else, and then maybe get something for me, or vice versa. Get the holiday baking bundle for yourself, and then gift something else to someone at 50% off. So I love the double zip the double zip crossbody. This is the one in the metallic gold. Oh my gosh, I love this crossbody. It's double zips, super cute. Or you might decide to grab our Bake and Take party cooler, one of my favorites. This is the one in the evergreen branches print. Absolutely gorgeous, y'all. I did the personalization. I did wreath personalization in black and deep red, but I love this because the bottom unzips and you can put your 9x13 casserole carrier in the bottom. The top, actually, it does zip. I just have it unzipped. It is also thermal lined, so you can put another 9x13 here on the top, or store other things to take to and from. And then there's a zipper here on the front where you can store your utensils and napkins and things like that. So just think about this. You can grab the bundle as is, and then the tiny utility tote would discount for you half price. But if you were to add a higher priced item, that one would discount at half price. So I would personally, if you knew that there was other things that you wanted to shop for, grab the bundle and then add on a 50% off item of your choice. So think about all those people that are on your list this season that you can shop for. So I'd love to know. I'll link everything below. Scroll through my website and all the bundles. Let me know which one's your favorite, and let me know which one you want me to highlight next. I'm happy to do that. But yeah, so many bundles. There's 8. So great little gifting bundles that are available on my website. So have fun shopping, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. If you are watching on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel. That way you'll get a notification when I post a new video. Also, if you want me to set up a shopping link for you, I can set that up for you, send it to you. You can shop on your own link, and then you can earn rewards on your own order. Now, I can carry a link over for 1 month. So if we opened your link up in November, we can carry it through December. So you can collect orders through both months, and you'll start earning Hostess rewards at the $200 level. And then at each $100 level, you'll earn a little bit more and a little bit more. So that's definitely something to think about. And I love that we can stretch it over 2 months. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have a great day. See ya. Bye.